The Rooster wants to tell you about a business model, not the credit card business model, not the student loan business model, not the subscription business model. The Rooster has covered those already, and the receipts on those are filed and documented. This business model is different, because this one wears the same clothes as the solution. This one speaks the language of financial empowerment. This one tells you it's on your side, that it wants you to win, that it built everything it has by doing exactly what it's about to teach you for 3 payments of $997. This is the financial guru business model, and it is one of the most elegant revenue extraction systems ever built. More elegant than the credit card, more elegant than the student loan, more elegant than any of the traps this channel has exposed. Because this one doesn't trap you with fine print or compound interest or automatic renewals. It traps you with hope. Specifically, the hope that the reason you don't have financial freedom is that you haven't yet learned the specific system, framework, method, or mindset that the person on the screen discovered, refined, and is now generously sharing with you for a limited time at a price that is, they will tell you, an investment in yourself. The Rooster has been watching this industry for a long time. The Rooster has receipts, and today the Rooster is going to show you exactly how the machine works so that the next time someone tries to sell you financial freedom, you will be able to see the mechanism before the checkout page loads. This is not comfortable. The Rooster doesn't do comfortable. Let's go. First, let me describe the person selling you financial freedom so you can recognize them immediately. They are almost always filmed in front of something expensive: a car, a house, a view from a high floor of a building in a city that signals success. The expensive thing is usually rented for the shoot, or borrowed for the thumbnail, or owned, but purchased specifically because it photographs well and communicates the lifestyle that the course promises to deliver. The Rooster knows this because renting a Lamborghini for a content shoot costs approximately $1,500 for the day. Renting a mansion for a weekend shoot costs $3,000 to $8,000 depending on the market. These are line items in a marketing budget. They are not evidence of financial success. They are props in a production designed to make you believe in a result before you've evaluated the method. They will tell you a story about where they were before: broke, in debt, hopeless, working a job they hated, living a life that wasn't theirs. The before picture. And then something happened. A mentor, a book, a moment of clarity, a system they discovered or developed, and everything changed. The after picture, the car, the house, the freedom, the proof that it works. Here is what they will not tell you in that story. The thing that changed for most of them was not the system they're selling you. The thing that changed was that they started selling the system. The income that bought the car and the house and the freedom is the income from the course, not from real estate investing or stock trading or drop shipping or affiliate marketing or whatever the course claims to teach. From teaching the course, they don't make money doing the thing. They make money teaching the thing, and the thing they teach is how to make money, which they make by teaching how to make money. The Rooster finds this structurally fascinating and personally infuriating. They clipped your wings and sold you a motivational poster about flying and charged you $997 for the poster. Now let me show you the numbers behind the industry, because the numbers are where the Rooster always goes, and the numbers here are extraordinary. The global online education market, like courses, coaching, masterminds, digital products, was worth $325 billion in 2025 and is growing at 15% annually. A significant portion of that market is personal finance, investing, and wealth-building content. The average financial freedom course costs between $997 and $3,000 for a self-paced program. High-ticket coaching programs, the ones with the application process and the discovery call, and the mentor who will personally guide you, run $5,000 to $25,000. A creator with 500,000 YouTube subscribers who launches a $997 course to 1% of their audience generates approximately $5 million in revenue from a single launch. $5 million. From one launch to 5,000 people who each paid $997 to learn a system that the creator monetized not by using the system, but by teaching the system to people who found them on YouTube. The Rooster is not saying the courses contain no useful information. Some of them do. The Rooster is saying that the business model is not aligned with your success. It is aligned with your purchase. Once you've paid, the incentive structure for the person who sold you the course changes completely. They need your testimonial if you succeed. They need your silence if you don't. And statistically, for the vast majority of people who buy financial freedom courses, the outcome is that they have less money than they started with, by exactly the price of the course. The system isn't broken. It's working perfectly, just not for you. Here is the mechanism that makes it work psychologically, because the guru industry did not get to $300 to $25 billion by being obvious. It got there by being extraordinarily sophisticated about human psychology in the specific way that the credit card industry is sophisticated, by understanding exactly what people want to feel and engineering a product that delivers the feeling without the result. What people who are financially stressed want more than anything is not information. Information is free. It has been free since the internet existed. Every concept taught in every $997 financial freedom course is available for free in books, articles, YouTube videos, and government financial literacy resources. What people want is certainty. The feeling that if they follow this specific system, with this specific mentor, in this specific community, the outcome is guaranteed. The feeling that the reason they haven't succeeded yet is not that the path is genuinely difficult and uncertain. It's that they haven't found the right system, and now they have. The course sells certainty, not knowledge. Certainty, and certainty in an uncertain world is the most valuable feeling a human being can purchase, which is why people pay $997 for it, even when the $997 comes from the emergency fund, even when it goes on the credit card at 22% interest, even when the math on the purchase makes no sense whatsoever given their current financial situation. Because the feeling of finally having the answer is worth more to a desperate person than the $997. The Rooster has seen this. The Rooster has seen the comments. The person who bought the course while in debt because they believed the course would get them out of debt. The person who spent their last savings on a high-ticket coaching program because the coach promised transformation. The person who is now selling the same course to their own audience because the only way to recoup the investment is to become a distributor of the product. The fox doesn't break into the coop anymore. It bought the coop, and now it's charging admission. Now the Rooster needs to be precise about something, because precision matters here. Not every person who teaches personal finance is a predator. Not every course is a scam. Not every coach is running a psychological operation on desperate people. There are legitimate financial educators, people who built real wealth through documented methods, who teach those methods transparently, who are honest about what works for most people versus what is specific to their situation, who charge fair prices for genuinely useful structured education, and who measure their success by their students' outcomes rather than their own revenue. The Rooster is distinguishing between those people and the guru industrial complex. Here is how you tell them apart. A legitimate educator shows you their actual track record, not just their lifestyle. They tell you what percentage of their students achieve the outcomes advertised. They acknowledge what their method requires: time, capital, specific skills, specific market conditions, rather than implying that desire and the course fee are sufficient. They don't manufacture urgency. They don't have countdown timers on checkout pages. They don't tell you this is the last time the program will be offered at this price when it will be offered again in 6 weeks at the same price with a different countdown timer. A predator shows you the car and the house and the before and after and the testimonials from the 3% of students who succeeded while not mentioning the 97% who didn't. They create urgency because urgency bypasses critical thinking. They put the course on a payment plan that costs more than the full price because people in financial stress think in monthly payments. They give you enough value in the free content to make you trust them and then use that trust to sell you a level of access that delivers the same content in a more expensive container. The fine print is not fine. It is extremely not fine. The rooster read it. The rooster needs a moment. Here is the part that makes the rooster genuinely angry. And the rooster has been reasonably controlled until this point. But this part requires a moment of honesty that goes beyond the business model analysis. The people most targeted by the financial freedom industry are the people who can least afford to be wrong about their financial decisions. The guru industrial complex does not primarily market to people who already have financial stability. It markets to people who are scared, who are behind, who feel the gap between where they are and where they were told they would be by now, who are working hard and still losing ground and desperately want someone to tell them there is a specific thing they can do to change the trajectory. Those people are not naive, they are not stupid, they are exhausted and looking for a path, and the guru is standing at the beginning of a path that looks real and costs $997 and promises to lead somewhere better. And the $997 goes on the credit card at 22% interest. And the course doesn't deliver the promised outcome for most of the people who took it. And now they have less money than they started with and slightly less faith that the path exists at all. This is not a side effect of the industry. This is the industry. Extracting money from financial anxiety at a markup that would make the credit card companies blush. The rooster doesn't have all the answers, but the rooster has all the questions they don't want you asking. Starting with this one. If the method works as well as advertised, why is the primary income source teaching the method rather than using it? Ask that question before the checkout page loads. Every time. So what does the rooster actually recommend? Because this video cannot end with the problem without addressing what replaces the thing the problem was providing. People turn to financial gurus because they want structure, accountability, and the feeling that someone who has done it is guiding them. Those are legitimate needs. The rooster is not dismissing them. The rooster is pointing out that those needs can be met without paying $997 to someone whose primary qualification is that they charge $997. The library exists. It contains every personal finance book ever written, including the ones the gurus reference in their courses, for free. The rooster has read most of them. The rooster recommends starting with the ones that have been useful for decades, rather than the ones that came out 6 months ago tied to a course launch. Communities exist, free ones. Subreddits, forums, local groups of people working toward the same financial goals, accountability partners who are on the same path and have skin in the game because they're living it, not teaching it. Fee-only financial advisors exist. These are advisors who charge a flat fee for their time and are legally prohibited from earning commissions on the products they recommend. The opposite of the guru model. They make the same amount whether you buy the thing they suggest or not. Their incentive is to give you good advice. Find one. Pay for one session. Get a personalized plan from a professional whose business model is not built on selling you certainty. Index funds exist. They have existed since 1976. They outperform the majority of actively managed funds over long periods. They cost almost nothing in fees. They require no course to understand. Put money in every month. Don't touch it. Wait, that is not a $997 insight. That is a $0 insight that has made more ordinary people wealthy than any guru system ever developed. The rooster is not selling you anything. The rooster does not have a course. The rooster does not have a mastermind. The rooster does not have a high-ticket coaching program or a Discord community or a paid newsletter. The rooster has a YouTube channel, a suit, and a profound irritation with people who profit from other people's financial anxiety. That is the entire business model of rooster economy. No course, no coaching, no checkout page. Just the numbers, and the truth about what the numbers mean. Wake up earlier than the system expects. That's the whole strategy. And if anyone tries to sell you the specific hour to wake up for 3 payments of $997, you already know what the rooster thinks about that. The economy is cooked. The guru selling you the recipe for uncooked eggs is part of the problem. Don't get cooked. Your eggs are yours. Act like it. Rooster economy, because someone has to say it.